Mousy. Mousy, you have something to say? Creamsicle. Creamsicle, this is from your auntie. Can you say, thank you, Auntie Heather? Our treats have arrived.
Auntie Heather.
Yeah, Auntie Heather. Especially the creamsicle. She adopted him.
Which Heather?
One of my subscribers.
Oh.
Oh, duh. She's the one who sent... who gives them the wet food and the... And she got them treats this month. Yay! Thank you. Happy kitties. They like the little mice. I got them some little mice because I had extra $3, so I was like, $3 in shipping, or if you get $50, you get free shipping. So that was a given, and they like them. They smell like mice, or they smell like catnip, huh? 20 cats can be fighting over 6 mice. Is that what's going to happen? Yeah, some of them are happy. They got paper to play with. Mousy and this sitting on the wet food. What a goof. You don't have the mouse. Gotta catch it. Where's your instincts? Oh, that's all. There's one left for Tang. Get the mouse. Get the mouse. No one's a mouser like Mouse. He's the best mouser. Huh. Oh, there's not one to share. Not one to show. They got them all. Nobody can catch stuff like Mouse, though. I'd never have a mouse in the house with a mouse. Not with Mr. Mouser, huh? He's probably a better mouser than all you 20 put together. Yes, I'm proud that I know my cat would be a good mouser. Yeah. Ooh, fights. Fights. Be nice. Okay, I'm just telling her. Wait, Tangerine. Oh, are they fighting over the mouse? Settle down. Walk away. Good boy. Aunt, you'll be so proud of her Creamy. Yes. Here we are. Fighting over the little mouse.